Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Associates to US Bank, beginner guide. First, log in to your Amazon Associates account. On the dashboard, locate the Account Settings section. Click on Account Settings to open your account options. In the Payment and Tax Information area, find the Payment Information section. Here, click on Change next to Payment Method. Select Direct Deposit as your preferred payment method. Fill in your bank account details. Provide your bank's routing number. Enter your bank account number. Ensure all the information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Next, confirm your selection by clicking Save Changes. Make sure you have completed your tax information if you haven't already. To do this, navigate to the Tax Information section. Follow the prompts to complete the required tax forms. Once you've submitted all necessary information, wait for verification. Amazon will review your details and confirm your payment method. You will receive an email notification once your account is successfully set up for direct deposit. After setup, keep track of your earnings in the Reports section. Regularly check your account to ensure timely payments to your bank. If you encounter any issues, refer to Amazon's help resources for assistance. By following these steps, you will be able to withdraw your earnings from Amazon Associates to your US bank successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.